So I'm gonna start off with a base. I have concealed my eyes and then prepped my eyes with some powder foundation, like some powder. So if you see these tools hanging on my hair, these are basically to curl my hair. I have been doing a video on that, so just ignore that mess. So let's get started without further ado. I'm gonna basically use Soft Glam Anastasia palette. I want to use a new palette that I haven't tried yet, so let's begin. I'm gonna use the shade Tempera on all over my lid just to brighten it up. Taking the shade Burnt Orange on a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna basically just spread it on all over my eyelid and the transition area, and also on the crease. I'm gonna take the Cypress Amber, which is a nice deep brown. I'm gonna focus it on the lower crease. I'm gonna take it on a pointed fluffy brush and focus it on the crease and the outer V, but not maintaining it outside the earlier shade, just maintaining it inside the shade. And also on the inside, you don't have to take it above the hollow part. The hollow part is what you can see when you open your eyes, the crease is forming. You don't have to take it on the fluffy part like that one, because it will look gross, and just make it show that it is under that area. I'm gonna take the shade Rustic and Sienna mixed to take it beyond the crease, but not too much, just to blend the colors. I'm gonna take the After Hours palette from Bad Habit Beauty. I'm gonna take the shades Hickey and Cabernet mixed and put it all over my lid like that. Time for the best part we were waiting for. This is the shade Libra from Shop TF Beauty. So you can see how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna take the shade Minx from the Tarte Pro palette. To kind of cut here, but not a very vibrant minx shade. I'm kind of diffusing it on the existing shade because I don't want to dilute the whole shade, which is underneath the shade I'm applying right now. how the curls are done, which I was trying in initially. You saw some socks hanging here. It is going to be live on Satwa's official YouTube channel. So yeah, I will add the YouTube link or the channel link if they have uploaded yet. But can you believe this glitter is only 250 rupees or around that price? I am stunned, and the quality is insane. And guys, if you are willing to grab some glitters for personal or professional use, these are so good. These are as good as the high-end brands, and they do not take a lot of time to apply because of no glitter mess. And I get so many DMs of how to apply them. Basically, these are pressed glitters. You can just tap on with a brush, like a shader brush. I used this kind of brush as I showed you in the video. This was the brush used. This is from Morphe Eye Credible brush set. And if you do not have this, you can use any kind of concealer brush, any kind of lip brush. Those are also flat brushes. So I really like the look, and the color is insanely beautiful. So if you like the video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.